All right. Here we are today. I'm Dr. Bill Sopcich, Dr. Bill and Friends. Today we are with Bill Dennison here at Second Soul. And Bill has one of his employees, one of his staff here. I don't know if you can see her in there. Oh yeah, she's there.
This is Caroline.
This is Caroline. And what we're going to do today is we're going to talk a little bit about shoes. You know, shoes are really important. We are standing on our feet. I'm on my feet, depending, 8, 10, 12 hours a day. And a lot of people say, well, why should I go to a place like Second Soul to get a pair of shoes when I can go to Dick's or I can go to someplace else? So you want to talk a little bit about that first, and then we can move into some other parts of it?
Yeah, we refer to your shoes as kind of the foundation, like your house. And if you don't have a strong foundation for your house is going to crumble. And it's the same thing with your shoes. We are running specialty shop, but I would say 70% of our clientele are everyday people just looking to have a good pair of shoes. Shopping at Kohl's and Dick's, yeah, there's deals and stuff like that, but our job is getting the right shoes to prevent people from having to come see people like you, and your goal is to keep people out of your office as much as you can. You want to make sure they're healthy and whatnot, so we kind of like work together that way. So it's important that you come here because we do a lot of things as far as watching people walk. We watch them crouch, do they pronate, do they supinate, all these kind of fancy terms, and just making sure that they're in a comfortable shoe that works for them. A lot of people come in and say, oh, that's a pretty shoe. Well, that's not really meant for you. It's the wrong for your foot type, and we have to steer people towards, well, let's find functionality first, and then we move into what looks good cosmetically.
We ask you to take your shoes off first, and then we'll have you walk straight down, so walk towards there. The first thing we do is we look at your arches, your ankles, see the rotation in your foot, and then we'll also have you stand, do a squat test, do a squat down. We see if your heels lift up, we see if there's any rotation inward again, and that just tells us what support level that you need.